Hey students, feeling stressed about your exams? You're not alone. The pressure can be overwhelming, but today I'm sharing powerful mental health tips that will help you stay focused, calm, and confident during exam season. Stick around because these tips might just be the game changer you need. Exams are a part of student life, but they don't have to be a nightmare. With the right mindset and habits, you can manage stress and perform at your best. Let's dive into some practical science-backed strategies to keep your mental health in check while preparing for exams. Tip number 1, plan and prioritize. One of the biggest sources of stress is last-minute cramming. Instead, create a study plan that breaks your syllabus into manageable chunks. Prioritize difficult subjects first and set realistic daily goals. This not only reduces anxiety, but also boosts productivity. How do you plan your study schedule? Let me know in the comments. Tip number 2, take breaks and move. Did you know that studying for long hours without breaks can actually reduce your efficiency? Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 to 50 minutes, then take a 5 to 10 minute break. Use this time to stretch, walk, or do a quick workout. Exercise releases endorphins, which improve your mood and concentration. What's your favorite way to take a break? Tip 3, get quality sleep. Pulling all-nighters may seem like a good idea, but sleep deprivation can hurt your memory and focus. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Your brain consolidates information while you sleep, helping you retain what you've studied. Do you struggle with sleep during exams? Try avoiding screens before bed and sticking to a consistent sleep routine. Tip number 4, practice mindfulness and deep breathing. Anxiety is normal, but controlling it is key. Simple mindfulness exercises like deep breathing, meditation, or journaling can help calm your nerves. The 4-7-8 breathing technique is a great way to quickly relax. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. Give it a try right now and let me know how you feel. Tip number 5, stay hydrated and eat nutritious food. Your brain needs fuel to function well. Avoid too much caffeine and junk food, which can lead to energy crashes. Instead, go for brain-boosting foods like nuts, fruits, and dark chocolate. And don't forget to drink enough water. What's your go-to study snack? Tip number 6, stay positive and avoid negative self-talk. Your mindset plays a big role in your performance. Instead of saying, "I'm going to fail," try saying, "I've prepared well and I'll do my best." Positive affirmations can make a huge difference in reducing stress. Comment below with your favorite motivational quote. Exams are temporary, but your mental health is forever. Take care of yourself, stay consistent, and trust your preparation. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Wishing you all the best for your exams. You've got this. See you in the next video.